Patna is growing, but at what cost? Patna, a city growing fast. New bridges, metro on tracks, marine drive like roads. सब बदल रहा है. Roads widens हो रहे हैं. Life faster हो रही है. But at what cost? Just like a speed detector on busy road measures how fast vehicles are moving, today we measures the speed of Patna growth, but also the cost of that growth to our air, our health, and our future. Patna Metro has started operations in 2025 with multiple stations opening and more under construction. It's estimated to have 2 lines and 24 stations in phase 1, a costly project aimed at easing travel and reducing congestion. But are we measuring what really matters? Metro, bridges, concrete everywhere, modern infrastructure for a growing city. But look around. कुछ इलाके में अभी भी हरियाली है, पार्क, ओल्ड ट्रीज, स्मॉल ग्रीन स्पेसेस जहां ऑक्सीजन मिलती थी, लेकिन वो स्पेसेस हर साल श्रिंक हो रहे हैं. क्यों? Development without environment is like a body without breath. Road widens, concrete spreads. But यह भी सच है कि trees, park और open soil absorb carbon, cool the city and give life. Studies shows most Indian cities struggle to balance expansion with environment. Urban sustainability under SDC 11 is still a challenge for India. Patna is no exception. पटना की हवा अक्सर धुंध सी दिखती थी, लेकिन सवाल वो फॉग है या स्मॉग? फॉग तो प्राकृतिक होता है, लेकिन स्मॉग दैट्स पॉल्यूशन ट्रैप्ड नियर द ग्राउंड. Recent air quality monitoring shows Patna air quality index regularly slipping into the poor to very poor category during winter, often above 200 and sometimes much higher. PM 2.5 and PM 10, these tiny particles can penetrate deep into the lungs and bloodstreams. Health impact. Air with high PM 2.5 levels causes breathing difficulty, triggers asthma, increases heart problems, especially in kids and elderly. यह सिर्फ नंबर नहीं है, यह हमारी सांसों से जुड़ा सवाल है. Around parts of Patna recorded air quality index over 250 in recent days. In the poor category, meaning prolonged exposure is unhealthy. Concrete structures, flyovers, roads absorbs heat during the day and slowly releases it at night. A phenomenon known as urban heat island effect. More concrete, less soil and vegetation, less cooling. Gun Sarak flyover heavy traffic lanes often block chaotic driving, no shade because soils and trees are replaced by steel and concrete. When largest areas are paved with concrete, the city temperature rises. This is called concrete warming. It means hotter summers, more energy use, and worse air quality. So development, yes, it's needed, but what kind of development? Not just concrete corridors and giant flyovers, but sustainable development. जो environment के साथ balance रखे. Sustainable development means enough oxygen and green spaces, affordable transport, healthy air and water, jobs, especially agrarian and rural employment, inclusive planning for all communities. Imagine a Patna with more parks and urban forest, riverfront revitalized with native vegetations, walkable neighborhoods and cycle-friendly streets, rooftop gardens and urban farming spaces, water metro to reduce road traffic and emissions, starting soon on the Ganga. This isn't anti-development, it's smart and thoughtful development. हम सब मिलकर एक ऐसा पटना बना सकते हैं जहां ग्रोथ हो, जॉब्स हो, क्लीन एयर हो और फ्यूचर सिक्योर. लेट्स बिल्ड अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पटना, not just a concrete Patna. Share this video with your friends. Comment below what changes you want to see in your city and remember कौन सा पटना हम अपने आने वाले जनरेशन को देना चाहते हैं.